Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to start microscopy under Microbiology Unit 1. So what is microscopy? The word microscopy comes from the Greek word mikros, which means small, and scopine, that means to examine, the examination of minute objects by means of a microscope that not visible with the naked eye. Before starting microscopy in detail, I would suggest you to read about parts of microscope. Microscopy can be divided into two types: light microscopy and electron microscopy. Light microscopy, in which magnification is obtained by a system of optical lenses using light waves, includes bright field, dark field, fluorescence, and phase contrast microscopy. The electron microscope, as the name suggests, uses a beam of electrons in place of light waves to produce the image. Specimens can be examined by either transmission or scanning electron microscopy. Now in this video we will mainly focus on dark field and damp phase contrast microscopy. Dark field microscope shows bright object with dark background. In this, an opaque disc is placed underneath condenser lens. We can see high contrast structural details using it. It is used for living, unstained cells and damp organisms, and to identify bacteria like Treponema pallidum. You can see in diagram only light that has been reflected or refracted by specimen forms an image. A phase contrast microscope converts slight differences in refractive index and cell density into easily detected variations in light intensity. The condenser has an annular stop, an opaque disc with a thin, transparent ring that produces a hollow cone of light. Undeviated light strike phase ring. In phase plate, the background, formed by undeviated light, is bright, while the unstained object appears dark and well-defined. This type of microscopy is called dark phase contrast microscopy. It is useful for studying microbial motility, determining the shape of living cells, and damp studying eukaryotic cells. In the next video we will take about electron microscope. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. If you have any query, then write it in comment box.